Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Luisa. I'm so glad you could join me today. I have an unboxing for you and I'm going to be opening up the Jessie James Beads Magical Mystery Bead Box for the month of October. And I know Jessie James Beads was a little bit late shipping the box, but that's because they were waiting for some specialty beads, and you know what? It's well worth the wait. Their beads are so amazing and so unique. I don't mind waiting if I know I'm going to get some gorgeous beads. Now, if you're not familiar with Jessie James Beads, I'll leave a link down below so you can go check out their website. But basically, the Magical Mystery Bead Box is a monthly subscription bead box from Jessie James Beads. Each month, they come up with a beautiful theme and a beautiful array of beads and jewelry components chosen by the Jessie James Beads design team. And let me tell you guys, these beads are so different and so unique and so full of inspiration. But anyway, there are different subscription options. You can buy a 12-month plan for $34.97 per month, but they also offer a 6-month plan, 3-month plan, and even a 1-month plan. Each subscription renews automatically. Of course, the 12-month plan is the most economical. And if you don't want to buy a subscription, they do sell the individual box at retail value, but they do sell quickly. But anyway, like I said before, I'll leave a link down below so you can go check it out. So anyway, guys, I can't wait to see what's in this box. So let me go ahead and turn the camera around and we'll get started. Here's the box. Let me go ahead and open it. It always feels like Christmas whenever I open a Jessie James Beads box. And the name of the box is Pantone 2021-2022 Fall/Winter. And oh my gosh, look at all these colors, guys. We have Leprechaun, Root Beer, Fuchsia Fedora, Mykonos Blue, Pale Rosette. Oh no, and there's more colors here. Illuminating, Spring Lake, Adobe, Rotonite, and whirl. So that's really cool. 10 colors it looks like. So we have 10 bags. That is so nice of them. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what's in these boxes. And I see that it says here, what's inside? 10 fun-sized bead mixes. Each mix features one of the Pantone 2021-2022 fall colors. And I wanted to also point out that they do have a Facebook page and they do have design contests. And if you enter the design contest, you could win a $50 Jessie James Beads gift card if your design is picked. But it says here you have to enter by 28 November. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. Look at all these packages, guys. Let me move this to the side. Here's your yellow one, Illuminating. Here's your pink one, Fuchsia Fedora. Very pretty. Adobe. Leprechaun. Whirl. I love this one. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to open it. Rotonite. I think that's how you pronounce it. Or is it Rotonite? I'm going to say Rotonite. It's not the first time I mispronounce things. And we have Pale Rosette. And Spring Lake. Oh my gosh, these colors are so pretty. I love this one. And then we have Root Beer. And here's your Mykonos Blue. It's so gorgeous. It's named after a Greek island. And I believe the roofs, the doors, or the windows are painted this blue color, this pretty blue color. I've never been there, but I've seen pictures of it. But it's so gorgeous, guys. Look at that beautiful blue. Okay, let me go ahead and organize things and we'll go through each one. I thought I would open up the Illuminating Package first. I love these yellow colors. Oh my gosh. As you can see, we have various shapes and sizes, different levels of transparency, and we also have some silver medals. We have these gorgeous bead caps. Look how beautiful these are. Oh my gosh. We have 4 of these, and then we have some smaller ones here as well. And it looks like we have 8 of these. Very nice. Let me go ahead and put these beads on a rod so you can take a better look. And here they are on the rod. Aren't they beautiful? I decided to put the bead caps on these large crystals right here. And I love this table cut oval bead here. It's so pretty. It's got a yellow core. So if you're looking for a splash of color in your designs, these are the beads to use. Let me give you a close-up. And here are the rest. These frosted beads are so gorgeous. I love these. As you can see, I put the bead caps on them. Very nice. Let me give you a close-up. Now here's some pretty colors. I love these beautiful shades of rose. It's almost like a dusty rose, pale rosette. Let me go ahead and open it. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty, guys. So feminine looking. As you can see, this collection has gold metal. And I love these gorgeous bisque colored beads. And here they are on the rod. These have a gorgeous AB finish on them. I don't know if you guys can see that. They all have an AB finish actually, but these have a little bit more. And these gold beads look so good with these crystals. Especially these ones. Look at the design on these. Aren't these gorgeous? These are very nice too. They have little rhinestones on them. Let me give you a close-up. And here are the smaller ones. We have some beautiful beaded beads here. And these resin roses are absolutely adorable. I love these. Let me give you a close-up. This next bag is called Adobe, and look how gorgeous these colors are. As you can see, we have beautiful copper metals and we have gorgeous autumn colors. And I guess you could say they're an Adobe clay color. I'm not sure, but they're very pretty. As you can see, we have these gorgeous large bead caps. Oh my gosh, these are so beautiful. I love large bead caps. We get 4 of them. And then we also have some small ones. And we get 4 of these, as you can see. And here they are on the rod. I adore this one here with the rhinestones, and I love these. These are so beautiful. These are very unusual right here. I've never seen this shaped bead before. I wouldn't even know how to describe what shape this is. But anyway, they're very unique, and that's what I like about Jessie James beads. Let me give you a close-up. And then we have these here. I love these. I love the color of these. And they're so glossy. We get some nice bicones. We get some teardrop shapes. Some gorgeous table cut rectangles. And these are very pretty because they have golden sides, as you can see. And we have some disc beads right here. Aren't they lovely? Next we have this gorgeous Leprechaun mix. As you can see, it's full of beautiful green and silver beads. And it looks like we get a little surprise packet. And they look like silver beads or bead caps. We'll have to open it up and see what's inside. And as you can see, there's a mixture of beads and bead caps. We get 4 of these. Aren't these gorgeous? And we get 4 of these filigree bead caps. I'm going to put these on a rod in a few moments, but look at this one, guys. Look at this cute little charm. Isn't that adorable? I thought I would put these bead caps up against these large rondelles. Doesn't it change the look? I love it. And these look like they're wooden beads right here. I love how they're drilled. They're drilled diagonally, as you can see. And I love these lava rock beads. I love the color. As you can see, I placed the spacer beads in between some of them. So these are the larger ones, and then we have these. These disc-shaped beads are so pretty, and I thought I would put them up against these other metal disc beads. They're very nice. And then we have these other ones. As you can see, I put the filigree beads up against the ceramic bead right here. It really does change the look. Very nice. I'm anxious to open up this Mykonos Blue collection. And they're so pretty with the gold metals. And once again, they've given us some beautiful bead caps. Look how pretty these bead caps are. We have some spacer beads. Let me put them on a rod. I think this is my favorite mix. I love these colors, guys. Oh my gosh. You know, one of the reasons I like to showcase the beads is because it helps me. My creativity wheels are turning right now, and I'm thinking of all kinds of possibilities. As you can see, I put the bead caps on these beautiful faceted rounds, and these are absolutely adorable. Look at these. They're so unique, guys. Where else can you find beads like this? It's such a bargain because you get such a variety of very unique and beautiful beads. I just love this collection. It's so beautiful. And then we have these. These are a little bit smaller. Look at the color of these frosted beads. Aren't they beautiful? I put the rhinestone spaces up against them. And then we have this gorgeous bluish colored lava rock bead. Such a beautiful blue. And here we have some golden colored melon beads and a bunch of little rondelles. I think this is actually my favorite collection. I love this one. This one is called Fire Whirl, and I can't wait to open it. How beautiful is this? Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Let me put them on a rod. While I was loading the rods, I noticed these gorgeous little pendants or charms. Aren't they beautiful? They're two-sided. And then we have these gorgeous cage beads with a little crystal inside of them. So here are the larger ones. These are so beautiful. And they're not all the same, okay? This one's a little bit more colored than this one, and I like that because it makes them very unique and it makes them look like gemstones. And these are very unusual. I've seen these in the past in different colors. And here's some more table cut beads, but these have a bronzy side. And I love these rectangular ones here. Very, very nice. And here's some more. As you can see, there are more rectangular beads here. And these crystal ones are absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at these. They're a bronzy color, as you can see. And we get bicones and more rondelles. Here's a gorgeous mix. The name of it is Root Beer. Let me go ahead and open it. And most of them are a brownish or a bronzy color, but we do have some burgundy colored ones there. And I love that these have very large holes, which means you can put them on leather cord or have them as tassel toppers, all kinds of possibilities. And here they are on the rod. I love these rhinestone rondelles. They're so beautiful. And these faceted teardrop shaped beads are so unique looking. Here's a close-up. And then we have these, more lava rock beads, as you can see. And I put the spacer beads in between. These are very unusual looking spacer beads. And here I have some rhinestone spacers in between the frosted beads and the faceted cube beads as well. This is such a nice color because you can team it up with all kinds of other colors. It's a nice neutral. And here we have another lovely blue collection. The name of it is Spring Lake. These are so beautiful, especially these. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. This looks like it's half wood and half resin. And I love these flower tassels, especially in this color. They're so adorable. And here we have a couple of beads with very large holes. And here are the beads on the rod. I love these beautiful rondelles. I did notice this one's a little bit different than the other three, but that's okay because I'm going to be using every single one of these. They're so gorgeous. As you can see, we have more rhinestone spacers, and I love these disc-shaped beads. And here's some more. These are the smaller ones. I love the luster on these, and these are so unique looking. And we have more ceramic beads here, and more little spacers right there, rhinestone spacers. Very, very nice. And here we have a gorgeous packet of beautiful fuchsia colored beads. The name of it is Fuchsia Fedora. It's so pretty with the antique gold and the different shades of pink and fuchsia. And we get two beautiful flower tassels in this mix as well. I love this one here. It's so pretty. We actually get 4 of these gorgeous flower beads. And we get some bead caps as well. We actually get quite a few, as you can see. And here they are threaded on the rod. Look at these lovely teardrop shaped beads. They're so nice. They're pretty big too. And here are some of these beautiful mermaid beads. I love how they have the flash inside. And I did put some bead caps up against these pearls, some of them. And I love these metal beads here. These are so pretty. And here are some more. I've seen these before in previous mixes. I love how they have a textured glittery surface, and I love the openings. And here's some faceted cubes and some more teardrop shaped beads drilled through the top, as you can see. Look at the color of these here. Oh my gosh. And here's the final bag. As you can see, it's another beautiful blue mix, and the name is Rotonite. And these are a little bit darker blue, I would say. And I love these frames. Oh my gosh. And we get bead caps. We get 4 of these frames and 6 of these bead caps. And we get some tassels as well. And we get a couple of large hole beads as well. These are very interesting looking. So this is how the frames work. You put a bead inside, but I think I would probably put some seed beads on either side of this rondelle, or maybe a larger bead to fit that space. And here they are on the rod. And I love these rhinestone beads. This shade of blue is so gorgeous. Let me show you these. Aren't these pretty, these drops? And then we have these here, drilled through the middle, as you can see, and here are the bead caps. Very beautiful. Well, that's it, guys. I love these colors. I am so impressed. And yes, I did put them back in the packaging, because if I don't, I know I'm going to get them all mixed up. And I did bring out my colorful flowers because this is a colorful palette. And there's nothing that inspires me more than a beautiful rainbow selection of beads. So anyway, guys, I'm looking forward to creating something with this beautiful collection. I'm going to go ahead and put this away, and I'll come back and say goodbye. I have so many colorful ideas in my head right now. Those beads were so beautiful, guys. Oh my gosh. I love colorful beads, and I get so much inspiration. So I know I'm going to come up with something. So anyway, I want you to come back and check my channel and look for a tutorial coming up real soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.